Hey guys, it's Allie and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Cool interview. Better think twice, my shoot interview.
I'm on the ferry, so it's probably pretty loud. I hope you can hear me. I'm going to Vancouver right now. I literally just decided I was gonna vlog. Otherwise, I would have started this earlier. But yeah, my dad's gonna pick me up on the other end, and then I'm meeting Mia. She's flying in, and then later tonight we're going on my boat with my family. It's my little niece's birthday. She's the cutest thing ever, and we're gonna watch fireworks tonight, eat dinner on the boat, probably get drunk and all of that. It's gonna be super fun, and I can't wait to take you along. Okay guys, and then we're going to Granville Island. Okay, my video stopped. I don't know how much I got, but we're going to Granville Island. We packed a bag. We're going to my boat. We're gonna walk around, I don't know, get ice cream or food or something and take pictures. And then later, we're gonna go out on the boat and eat dinner and all that.
Oh, that was such good content for my vlog too. Wait, which one? This one?
Gee. Guys, we found the boat after a while. We changed into bathing suits. Mine's from TNA, and
It's from Triangle. It's too small.
we are reading now what we're about to. I'm reading Hopeless by Colleen Hoover right now. The beginning was slow, but now it's a freaking turn pager.
A turn pager. I'm reading Book Lovers by Emily Henry.
Y'all, we're having a photo shoot right now, and like there's just a boat full of very handsome men. But I think we're gonna get some good photos. So stay tuned for the IG posts. Also, 3 grown-ass men just asked if we want to come out on their boat.
I was like, no, I'm underage. He's like, aw.
Okay guys, we're finished taking pictures and my family just got here. My sister doesn't like her little daughter on the internet too much, so I'm not going to be posting all of that. But she's the cutest little baby ever, and it's her birthday, and that's why we're here in the first place. And yeah, I'll definitely show you the fireworks and all of that. Right now we're having a little cuddle sesh.
Hi, buddy. I mean,
Smile for the cam. I have no idea for that. Hi everyone, Allie's jumping in, but I don't want to because I'm a baby. So here we go. Woo!
You know, there probably is fish, right? There definitely is fish.
I just went diving and I'm about to make her go. We're gonna go together again. Look at the view. It's a vibe. We're being attacked by these gremlins. What is going on?
I'm over this.
Why is it just me? Y'all, look at the beach. It is absolutely packed with thousands of people. That is absurd. Gorgeous sunset.
Oh, wow. Daniel Tiger? Yeah.
They're so good. They've been going on for so long. Alright, so the quality is horrible. But we're boating back now. What time is it? 11:06. It's 11:06. We had a little nap outside. Well, I did. But we're about to go back to the dock now, and then me and Mia are gonna cab back to the hotel. So we're trying to get a taxi, but the mission is unsuccessful. I called the company. They said it's gonna be 30 minutes. Online it says it's gonna be 30 minutes, but no one's coming yet, and Uber is like $40. So we're figuring out how to get back to the hotel, and then we're gonna get food and lunch, watch some things, smoke, and go to sleep.
I'm family friendly.
Hitched a ride with the children. So we just got back to the hotel. We hitched a ride with my sister and her sleeping children because the transit is absolutely fucked, and the cabs and Ubers, nothing was gonna come.
Like everyone and their moms are here.
How do we kick?
Go about this.
Go. She's still back there.
Why is there such a long line? It's never ending.
Jesus! The SkyTrain station, I swear to you, is 15-minute walk away from here, and look at this line. Look how long this line is.
Hey, can we go smoke our blunt?
I just wanna get high with my lover. Yo, our McDonald's came. It's almost 1 a.m. Like, what time is it? 12:45?
12:45 on the dot.
Thought we were about some lunch.
Ooh, look at that. Can you sell me a car like that, Jeremiah?
Good morning, vlog. It's 11:15. Mia was supposed to take the train at 11:30, but she snoozed her alarm like an hour ago, so we're both still here. But we woke up, we're really freaking late. Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you about my dream.
Okay. She's travel ready. We're getting Starbucks on the way out. I ordered on my phone.
Oh fuck, I should do that. I got your man.
Alright, so Mia just left by the train and I'm in the elevator now. I didn't film an outro, but thank you guys so much for watching. That day was so freaking fun. If you liked the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, then that sounds like a you problem. But I'll see you in the next one. I have a couple more vlogs coming out from the same weekend, or at least one more vlog. So stay tuned for that. Bye.
Cool in the view. Did a thing twice, my shooter in the view. 10th grade, bought a frame, wheel off the licks.